Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy RBX Kicks back again with another rep review for you guys. In this video, I was sent some Kobe's from hahastyle.ru, a good friend of mine. But before we get started with this review, make sure to like and subscribe so I can make more content like this in the future. Anyways, let's get started with this review. The shoes came in a normal Kobe box. The box should be textured with this sort of like scaling. And then it has the Kobe logo and then the signature. And then on the size tag, Kobe 8 Protro, size 11, looks good. And then on the box right here is a Nike sign as well. Inside the box does come with the shoes itself and some wrapping paper. Here is the Kobe 8 Halos. I'm not sure how to legit check these, but I'll be going over detail. And leave a comment if you guys can find anything wrong with this pair. First off, here is a general look at the overall shoe itself. I'll be going over the left pair as soon as I'm done with this right pair. So in each Kobe, there is a little shoe tree. Alright, so I'll be going into depth with all the details within the shoe. So the first one, the little Kobe right here, looks really good. Following to the big embroidered swoosh, looks pretty good. Following to the back of the shoe, it has this like plastic guard all around, and it has Kobe's signature. And then if you go out a little more, you could see another Kobe's logo right there. And on the bottom, as you guys can see, definitely says something, but can't read that. And then it also has more plastic guard along the heel. And then here is another embroidered look at this Nike. As you can see, there is some texturing along the leather. Following to the other side, the mesh. And then right here are some like icons, not sure what this is. And then following to the toe box, it does come up really fast as well. And it also has this little like toe cap, so your feet are more protected. Looks pretty. Here's the tongue. Here's the stitching of the tongue. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is the stitching of the tongue. I'm also not sure if the tongue is at the right height. And then the laces quality is really good as well. Doesn't feel cheap. And then on the inside of the shoe, here's the insole of the Kobe for you guys. This is some glue stain, probably from the factory. But yeah, this is the insole. And then here is the size tag for the Kobe's. Let me zoom in for you guys. Looks pretty good to me. But yeah, I'll go into the left pair right now. On the bottom of the shoe, it is really grippy. Has another Kobe logo. And then this is supposed to be like a carbon fiber. It's like a really hard plastic, I think. I think it's supposed to be hard plastic though. But that looks pretty good. It's textured as well. Here's the left pair of the shoe for you guys. So it has a big center swoosh, embroidered. Has another Kobe logo. Falling to the back of the heel, has the Kobe signature here, and the same plastic guard with Kobe logo in the back. And whatever this is, looks pretty good. And then here's another close-up at the embroidered Nike logo. It also has the texture as well, and then mesh right here. And then it also has these little 4 icons. And then here's the tongue. It's a closer look at the stitching for you guys. And then the laces are really nice as well. And then it does say Kobe, I think, right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it does say that. And then on the toe box, it does pop up really fast. And it also has that same toe protector as well, so you don't get injured. And then on the bottom, finally, has some more, I don't know, braille or something. Shoe looks really grippy. And then also this little carbon fiber plate or whatever this is. Feels good, sounds good, and then also textured as well. And then finally has another Kobe logo. Finally, on the inside, it does come with another shoe tree, and it also has insole. Here's the insole. Looks pretty good. Kobe logo. Here's some text. Looks pretty good. No glue stains on this one, which is good. And finally, size tag. Zoom in for you guys. Here's the size tag. Looks pretty good. Other than that, I'll have a little on-foot review for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy.